In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the Facebook offline activity tracking and also clear the history so that no apps or any record is keeping the track of you and showing the ads accordingly. So if you want to disable that, here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon and click on settings and privacy and choose settings. Once we are in here, on the left hand side, we can see this password and security under the account center. Choose that. And you'd want to choose this your information and permissions option. And on the right hand side, it says your activity of Meta Technologies. Click on that. And here it shows you what the activities is used for. Your activity of Meta Technologies includes information that the business organizers share with us about your interactions with them, such as visiting their apps and websites. And you can click on delete or disconnect with specific activities. As you can see that we have connected with some of the activities, so you want to disconnect with that, or otherwise clear all the previous activity from here. And you want to manage the future activity. Let's say you don't want to share it in future, so click on this. I want to click on this manage option, and we want to disconnect the future activity. Click continue, and it says that if you decide to disconnect in future, we'll also clear the previous activity. So that is great. Click on continue, and it says we'll disconnect future activity from your account, but it might take 48 hours until it fully disconnected from your account. So go ahead and click on disconnect future activity, and you can also read through all of these little points to make sure that this is what you want to do. Click on disconnect future activity, and it says future activity will be disconnected, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.